In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Giphy to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding Giphy to your Slack conversations is a fantastic way to inject a little fun and personality into your team communications. It's quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Slack application or the Slack web version. Whatever platform you're using, the process is pretty much the same. Once you've opened Slack, navigate to any channel or direct message where you want to send a GIF. Now, to trigger the Giphy tool, simply type in /doc into the message field. You should see a little menu pop up below, and from there, you can select Find and Share a GIF. This will open a window where the magic really begins. In this new pop-up, you'll see a space where you can type. Here's where you can let your creativity shine. Think of a word or phrase that describes the GIF you want to find. For example, if you're looking for something funny, you could type funny cat or happy dance. Once you've typed your description, go ahead and hit that search button. This will load up a bunch of GIF options that relate to your search term. Now take a moment to look through the GIFs that appear. If the first one that pops up doesn't quite fit the vibe you're going for, no need to worry. Just look for the shuffle button, usually found next to the GIF options. By clicking on Shuffle, you can cycle through other GIFs until you find the perfect one that matches your message or feeling. It's kind of like flipping through channels until you find something you really want to watch. Once you've found that perfect GIF, the next step is super simple. All you have to do is click on the Share button. This will post the GIF directly into your conversation. And just like that, you've added a splash of fun to your Slack chat. Remember, a well-placed GIF can lighten the mood, add context to your messages, or just get a good laugh out of your teammates. It's a great way to express yourself without necessarily having to type everything out. And if you ever want to share more than one GIF at a time, just repeat those steps. So whether you're celebrating a success, sharing a funny moment, or just want to keep the conversation lively, adding Giphy to Slack can really enhance your interactions. And that wraps up our quick tutorial on how to add Giphy to Slack. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more tips like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more handy tips soon, so stay tuned. Happy Giphying!